Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
No, sir, I'm not working yet because I recently graduated from Comsets University, Ahmedabad from electrical power engineering. But I will work soon, sir.
Okay, what do you like about that university?
Sir, basically, it was very well disciplined university and its marking criteria was very tough as other universities has 4 GPA on 85 and 80 marks, but in our university the criteria was 90 marks for 4 GPA. So I like most about.
Okay, what do you dislike about that university?
Sir, to be honest, sir, I dislike one thing about my university that student have, sir, no respect, and secondly, sir, there is no smoking was not allowed, sir.
All right. Okay, so you're smoking?
Sir, my friends are smokers, sir, so that's why, sir.
So you have pain for your friends,
Yes, sir.
huh?
I'm very friendly person.
All
that's
right,
why.
you're very friendly person. You say
Yes.
smoking not allowed, okay? Good, let's go on. How often do you spend time with your friends?
Sir, I love to spend time with my friends because I think my friends are everything for me and they are very supportive. So, in this world, we are very alone. So, that's why you have a good friend and a supportive friend.
Are you sure it's only friend?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah. As I am from engineering department, so there is no girlfriend.
No girlfriend, okay, only friend.
Yes.
All right, let's go on. What do you usually do when you meet your friends?
Sir, when I meet with my friend, we just recall our past and our memories and we talk about and.
You don't have any memories, huh? What do you
Sir,
recall?
I have a lot of memories, sir.
Okay,
Alhamdulillah.
okay. All right, good. Okay, let's just move on. During your university life, what do you remember the most? Or what do you miss the most about your university?
Sir, I miss the most my offline classes because in offline classes, sir, we get together in classes.
We
and
used to get together.
We used to get together in classes and make some gossips as well as and after classes we also used to we get together in our cafeteria as well as hotels. So this was very, sir,
Okay. Would you like to study in any foreign university?
Sir, yes, sir. Basically, I am applying for TU Munich in Germany for 2 departments. My first priority is electric vehicles, and second is renewable energy. And I have also done a research-based project on electric vehicles.
Okay, this is very good. Keep it up like this. You speak fluently and in a friendly way. This is good. All the best. Thank you.